What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 04 Cobra. Today we're going to be finally installing some new LED headlights and fog lights. All right, guys, so I've had the factory halogen bulbs in this thing since I got it, and they are just so yellow, so dim, hardly gives off any light, and it just looks super old. And I want to modernize it a little bit and get some more light output and make it look a little cleaner. So I had purchased these Auxito LED headlights as well as the fog lights. So they come in a 2-pack. It's a 9145 is what you're going to need for the fog lights, and the headlights are a 9007. So I already did this one just to see how it was going to look and if they were going to work real quick. So I'll show you a quick comparison. So here you can see the difference. I mean, night and day. Look at that. Straight up looks yellow compared to this. So we're just gonna go over the install real quick, how to remove the headlight, how to put the LED headlight bulb in. So let's get to it. First up, you're gonna remove the 2 headlight retaining brackets here that just slide right out from the top. Then you can tape up the front bumper. I like to use some masking tape just so when you're removing the headlight, it won't cause any further scratching on your bumper cover. Once you have that taped up, just put some pressure on the back of the headlight and push out at an angle towards the passenger side, and you'll see it'll pop right out. Then you can just disconnect the harness for your headlight bulb as well as your turn signal bulb, and the whole assembly will pop out like so. Then from there, you can see there's this retaining ring that's utilized on these type of bulbs. So you want to give that a turn, and then you'll be able to remove the headlight bulb. Give it a quick cleaning, and then you'll see, pull out the factory bulb. You're going to seat in the new LED bulb, which will only have a little bit of a turn to it. And then you install that retaining ring to keep it nice and tight like you see there. Then from there, you can line up your headlight again and connect your turn signal harness as well as your headlight harness. Slide that right back into place, and then you're going to reinstall those headlight retaining brackets, and the install is all done. And there you can see the bright LED headlights that we have there. And now, if you need to adjust them, you just can use that adjusting screw. Clockwise will raise them and counterclockwise will lower them. Next up, you're going to do the fog lights. You're just going to give a quarter turn. You can get right underneath. You don't even have to jack up the car. Give it a quarter turn, disconnect the harness, then grab the new LED bulb. You're going to plug it back into that harness, shove it right back in the housing, give her a quarter turn, and she's all done. And there you have it. Here's some quick comparison shots to see the difference between the yellow halogen versus the LED. You can see how much cleaner it looks and how much more modern and better light output you're getting. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and be sure to stay tuned for more 2004 Mr. Chrome SVT content.